Hey, hi there, guys. Hey, guys, tell me, would you guys would like to earn more money? Would you guys would like to have the opportunity to make more money? If you say yes to one of these questions, then welcome to this short video on which we're gonna speak about the difference between the rich and poor. Okay, guys, first of all, I would like to say thank you for everybody that's watching this video. It just tells me that you guys are people who are willing to learn more about business and life, of course. And not only that, you guys must be people who are willing to improve the quality of life of your wife and family, which is something very awesome. Okay? Okay, pay attention. Okay, guys, the difference between rich and poor. Okay, guys. Well, I have been investigating a lot, and I came into many conclusions, but there is many difference between the rich and the poor. But something that comes very often, it is the fact that how rich people and poor people they treat gratification. Rich people, for example, they don't have problem into working every day, working very hard every day and get their reward after a long period of time. They don't have problem into working today and get their reward after 1 month, after 1 year, after 5 years, after 20 years, 50 years, 100 years, or a lifetime. They don't have problem with that. But poor people, on the other hand, they are not willing to work hard every day and get their reward after a long period of time. They are not willing to work hard every single day and get their reward after, for example, 3 years, or after 5 years, or after 20 years. Totally 100% no. Totally no. Majority no. And that's what is the problem. Well, there is no real problem with. It is okay to how can I say, to appreciate immediate gratification. There is nothing wrong with that. But the thing is that for many things in life, how can I say? For many things in life, you're gonna achieve it by practicing delayed gratification. Like for example, if you see a car company, let's see a car company. If you see a car company, let's say for example the CEO and the janitor. The CEO and the janitor, and they both work like how can I say 20. They both work like 9 hours, 8 to 9 hours a day. Which is something very cool. But you're gonna see that the CEO tends to receive more money than the janitor, because that in order to become a CEO of a car company, it takes more time, it takes more time and it takes more discipline, more time, more discipline, and more effort. I mean, to become a CEO of a car company can take you 5 years, It can take you 5 years. While to become a janitor, I don't believe that how can I say, to be a janitor, you need to take like 5 years. No, that's not possible. It is probably less. And that's why the CEO gets paid more than the janitor, because it takes more time to become a CEO than it takes more time to become a janitor. Yeah, that is the thing. And another thing also, it is the, how can I say, the ability to be replaced in the marketplace. It's easier to replace a janitor than a CEO in the marketplace, because it's much easier to become a janitor than it is to become a CEO. I know that you understand my point over here. Okay, this is one aspect that you should consider. So that's why make sure that you always practice delayed gratification. Have long-term goals. and practice your short-term goals every single day so that you can achieve it without any problem. Okay? Okay, guys. Now, write your comments below and let me know what you guys think about this video so that we can debate. Okay? And don't forget to check the link below so that you can have this, how can I say, amazing free ebook that's going to help you with challenge of life and business. Okay? I'll see you in the next video, buddy. Ciao.